Hello everybody, today we're going to fix this lawnmower deck. It's got a hole blown in through it, basically from all the sand and everything else from mowing. It's pretty much been stamped out of a cheap steel, basically, out of the Snow Craftsman lawnmower. So basically we're going to patch this up. We already did one side already. Basically what it's doing is pretty much showering you with sand and sticks and every other lawn debris. So we're going to try to close it up, have it where we can keep mowing. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to take some scrap metal, which is basically using old basically lawnmower blades. That's all it is. And we're going to chop them up and use them as a patch, basically using a wire feed welder. This is basically a Harbor Freight wire feed welder. It's a cheap welder. It just, put a patch on it. So we're going to do that, and to get all this finished up, to keep it from basically showering on you. And so what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take this, we're going to have to grind a lot of this out. What I like to do, because everything's right here is real thin, where it's burned, where it ate up through the void here. So we're going to have to come back here a little bit where the metal is just a tad bit thicker, to be able to get the stick without blowing a hole through it. That's the only thing I'm worried about, is blowing a hole through it, because this is not very thick metal that they use to stamp these lawnmower decks with. So we're going to try that and get it all patched up, get it back mowing, and see how we do. As you can tell, see how much thinner this metal is right here. It's being ate up. So we got all that metal that was rolled out, pushed out. We cleaned all it up. Just got to be careful. We got a tire right here, so we don't want to puncture that. It's got this is going to cover it's part of the hole. So what we really need to do is just come back a little bit where the metal is a little bit thicker, and just run a patch. I'm gonna run probably maybe two pieces of just gonna cut out 2 pieces of lawnmower blade, and we'll patch that up, and hopefully it'll work and not have sand blowing all over you. Yeah, it looks like about a 2-inch piece. 2-inch piece is probably covered up real good. Take it easy. So we'll go out to the other shed and then cut a piece of old lawnmower blade out and get this patched up. All right, here we go with the lawnmower blades, scrap metal. We're going to use these for the little patch. We're just going to use the corners of them, cut the old stuff off, and just use a little bit of corner. It should do what we needed to do. here we go. We got the patch here laid out and ready to go. We're gonna cut this piece out. We're gonna cut another piece out too. Probably gonna just use two of them. Just probably just use one on each end of the blade. We're gonna cut it out with this DeWalt with a regular cutting wheel. You gotta be careful there. These things do like to come apart on you, so make sure you got a safety glasses or a face shield. Both helps, because these two will come apart on you if they get caught up in there. But we're gonna cut this out and get it going. can see, you got 2 little patches ready to go. So now what we got to do, we got to take it and wire wheel it down. Whatever you do when you use one of these, make sure you got some kind of face shield or safety glasses on. Little wires like to come out and they will get you in the eye and wind up in an emergency room or something and pulling a piece of metal shard out. So make sure you got some kind of eye safety protection when you're using a wire wheel, any kind of wire wheel, no matter what it is. But we're going to take it and dust off some of that paint so we can get a good contact when we go and weld the patch on. Yeah, see, we got it tacked in there. It ain't pretty, but it'll do the job what we needed to do. So we'll go ahead and finish and weld it out. see if we get the patch on. It's not pretty, but it'll do the job. Basically being this older lawnmower. Just trying to keep it going as much as possibly can. But I'll throw a little paint on it, keep it from rusting. It's probably basic primer, gray primer, so we're probably gonna use on it. And that'll be it for this.